Welcome to the Update Solana Token Metadata feature. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to update the metadata of your Solana tokens. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Next, select the token for which you want to update the metadata. Click on the token address input field and choose your token from the drop-down list. Verify the token details to ensure you have the correct token selected. Check the token name and symbol and other metadata. Now, fill in the new metadata details for your token. Update the name, symbol, image, description, and social links as needed. Here we update the description and website URL, for example. You can also revoke authorities to make your token more attractive to investors. Toggle the switches for revoke update, revoke freeze, and revoke mint as needed. Finally, click on the Update Metadata button to initiate the process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin. You'll see a processing message on the screen. This might take a few moments. The platform is now updating the token metadata on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! The metadata for your token has been successfully updated. You can now view the updated token metadata. Thank you for using the Update Solana Token Metadata feature. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation.